Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Mix and Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into another secret website in a series of the secret websites where we introduce you to the another amazing websites where you can sell your work and can make more money online. So that's the purpose of this series. To each and every week introduce you to the new websites, the new platforms, the new companies which are providing these print-on-demand services or are marketplaces, and that could help you to make more money by selling your work online. So let's dive in with today's video because today we have another secret website. Now this secret website is also secret. So maybe you have heard about it, but do let me know in the comment section below if you have ever heard about it. I would really love to hear from you. Let's dive in. Before we part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be get notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link are in description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section. It contains full commercial license so you can use it. And if you want to get more exclusive content coming into each week in your email newsletter, we are soon going to starting with an exclusive email newsletter. We will going to deliver you the print-on-demand tips and tricks, making money online tools, and so much more in that exclusive email newsletter. The information that will be completely exclusive to that content, it won't be posted here on the YouTube channel, so consider subscribing. Right now it's on waitlist. We will going to send you an email when it will going to start, so join the email newsletter. The link is in description box below. Subscribe to it. It's 100% free. Let's get straight with today's videos, talking about this website, what it is all about and how you can utilize it to make more money, because there are plenty of the different websites out there and it's so interesting to know about different print-on-demand website each and every week. So let's dive in with this website. Without further ado, let me introduce you to this website. This is Cowcow.com. Now you would be thinking, Cowcow? What is this website is all about? Let me talk about it. So on the very first page of the Cowcow.com, it's written shop, customized bill, featured products. You can see the customized bags, the shoes, the swimwear, the home decor, the dresses, tote bag, accessories. There's a bunch of the products that you could customize and you can put your work or your design on that. Design your own unique personalized gifts, infuse your heart into the design, give that special someone something that's both meaningful and memorable. What this website is all about, and like, is it a marketplace where you can sell your work, or is it another print-on-demand company like Printful, Printify and Guten? So let's talk about this thing. Always let you know who we are. Our goal, Cowcow.com aims to be one of the most fun and easy to use e-commerce platform where all our users can touch their creation. That is something we focus on, and this site allows you to create your own designs or work from other designers and turn these into production. Whether it's simply an image, artwork or text, we can change your creative imagination into reality. Apart from providing our users with an artistic base to form apparels, we understand supply of good design is also required to match the demand set up by our end users. Not only is Cowcow made for users, but it's also an ideal startup and make some money. All our products are made to order, so the whole concept of mass production goes out the window on here. So you could check that with over 10 years of experience in this market, a team of more than 150 employees operating in departments ranging from marketing to programming, customer service to production ensures we have adequate resources to support your needs. So it's having a 10 years of experience, 10 years old company, so that's amazing. We have 3 factories based in Southeast China, operating around the clock to cut down waiting time, and we invest over $2 million United States annually in research and development, accounting over 100 new products each year over the last 3 years. Furthermore, our extensive research has led to an automated manufacturing process, reducing cost that has been passed on to the customers. Let's talk about what are the different kinds of products that you can sell on this website via this website. I'm sorry guys, I have changed the setup because that setup wasn't working, so I have to change the location to shoot this video. So we are continuing right now with this different setup at the back. Let's talk about that. So the hot products can't decide on a product to design. Jump into our newest and most popular item to help inspire your artistic imagination. They have so many different products, guys. Let me talk about the different products. The tote bags, the luggage covers, the wall decoration, pillowcases, bag cases, pouches. Then also they have the custom fabrics like the dresses, the leggings, the swimwears, t-shirts, hoodies, sportswear, skirts, outerwears, sleevewears, shoes. Then they also have the home decor items, the shower curtain, the tapestries, the bedding, the drinkware, the calendars. They have the board which you can customize it and can sell your work on these products. Now let's talk about, is this a print-on-demand website or where like a Redbubble where you can open up your shop like a marketplace, or is this another print-on-demand company like Printful, Printify and Gooden? So let's talk about that thing, because that's the most important thing as been selling on this platform. So that is thing that you can start your shop on this website. Yeah, it's another website like Redbubble. It's a marketplace where you can open up a shop and get started with selling your work online. But what's unique about it? Let's talk about this and how you can utilize it. So it's written over there, design your own unique personalized gift. So when you sell your work, you can open up a shop on this marketplace. This is a marketplace, guys. And also they have the wholesale facility on their website. So if you want to get the wholesale stuff, then you can very well contact this website. Now, the niche store. Build your own brand website in just a few steps. What are niche stores? It's a customized e-commerce platform created to target a specific niche or audience with like-minded interests. The convenience of the store setup and user-friendly features allow user to manage your store anywhere and anytime. It's a perfect place to sell your designs and branding all under one platform. So you could learn more about this niche stores here. I'm going to leave all the link of this website in the description box below. You can very well check it out. Now sell through your own branding. Sell your designs under your personalized brand, from logos to brand tags. Your products and packaging will have your brand and your brand only. You can integrate with the Shopify, earn money under no cost. We offer a very attractive commission rate of up to 40% for all the products sold through your store. Store subscription and setup are free. All you need to do is invest the time and effort into creating your store. New feature. So you could create your own store on this platform, and you can also integrate with the Shopify. If you are looking for selling your work on your own website with the Shopify, you can integrate it and can start selling your. So let's talk about the new feature they have, the Shopify integration. You can now integrate all your designs and orders to Shopify. You have the option to sell your creations under your own branding through our niche store, and Shopify's quick and easy to use interface. Through this integration, you can synchronize all of your product design description previews to your Shopify app. So this is about the integration and how it actually works. Install and connect, start creating your own designs, complete store setup, automated orders, leave the rest to us. And join us our niche store today and enjoy all of these benefits. Wide variety of product selection, customizing autonomy across your brand, clothing tag, packaging and store layout, up to 40% commission earned, competitive base price with adjustable product price determined by you, no setup cost and wait monthly fee, okay, and no inventory required. User-friendly design tool for easy design across all products, customer service support and tutorial demonstration, monthly reports and analysis features to track your sales and commission. 30% commission to the niche store owner, 10% commission to the product design artist. Commission, how it's divided. The 30% you're getting for niche store owner and 10% you're getting as a product design artist. Domain fees is $14.99 to be reimbursed and $9.99 monthly waived for first 12 months. Your own store and you'd be getting the 40% commissions. Let's talk about the wholesale pricing. They are also having the wholesale pricing all over Printable, 20% off with free shipping. You can use the wholesale code and you can do all those things. They have the product catalogs. You can see the different products they have. They have the bunch of the different catalogs, guys. So you can very well should check it out by yourself. I'm going to program like affiliate program, whatever designs you like or upload you own into any of the products, share it and you're gonna earn it. So that is there about the affiliate program. You can join the affiliate program as well and you can promote it to make your money on that. I'm going to be going much into detail about opening up a store because this is the thing that we all are interested in about this website. Welcome to Cowcow. Let your designs run wild. Cowcow is not only known as one of the biggest platform in the world, it's for customizing product, but we are the sole leader in printing all over designs. How to get started? You need to design and upload. Sign up on Cowcow account and create your own store. Create or upload your design. Choose a product like Cowcow, 100% customizable storefront. All our products can be all over print, no restriction designing space. Free domain hosting for 12 months and setup cost monthly fees. So you can see that if you're starting with the Cowcow, you are getting domain hosting for 12 months that is completely free. Then I think that later on, after the 1 year, you need to pay the domain hosting and set of fees. That could be the monthly subscription. But again, it's fine. You could try it for 12 months for making sales. Then you can very well go for the next second year as well. But if you're not making the sale in the first year, then you could probably just switch out of it. So you could try this platform actually for the first year for completely free. Then the second year, they have the monthly subscription. So they have the different kinds of products. That is 400 different kinds of products you could create. Set your own earnings, super low cost per item. And they have the 1 million annual visitors. So that's awesome to get the monthly visitors. And you put plans. Okay, you need to sell your design online. Your first 12 months are free. So they have the two plans, the free store and the niche store. In the free store, the sign-up fee is waived. It's free. The store sample visit, you can have first 30-day free trial. Like that's not there. And you get your own domain website address, your domain email address. Profit will be going to send you by the PayPal, so you need to connect your PayPal to receive your commission via this website. Monthly sales report you're gonna get and all those kind of stuff. And so you can open up your free store on this website, and in the next second year, after the 12 months gets over, you need to switch over to the niche store. That's a subscription plan that costs $9.95 a monthly fee subscription. Okay, and you are getting much more stuff. Is that like you can connect it with your Shopify, and you can get the more domain and hosting, your own email address, your domain email address. So you are getting so much more in the monthly subscription plan. But very well get started with the free plan if you're looking on starting with this platform. Try this platform for first 1 year and see if you're getting any sales or not. And if you see that if you're getting sales and all, then in the second year you could go for paying that monthly subscription, that is $9.95 per month, and then you can set up your store and can make money by that. So this is the unique thing about this website. So you're gonna get paid by PayPal. You really need to reach to minimum $25 to get the payment by this website. So this is all about this website. Hopefully you find this video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below. Are you thinking of opening up your store on Cowcow? Do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.